Hello friends, welcome to a new video of I Square. In the previous class, we started our first chapter from your textbook, that is the chapter 1 sets. And in today's class, we are going to deal with the first exercise, that is exercise 1.1. And the first question is, which of the following are sets and justify your answer? First subpart from that question is, the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. All months beginning with the letter J. Is this collection a well-defined collection? That's our question. We are asked to find whether this is an example of a set or not. In that case, we have to check whether this condition is well-defined or not. Which means, is this condition, is this set varies, is this collection varies according to a person's interest. We know that the definition here given is well defined because months starting with J are January, June, July, and that's it. These are the 3 months starting on the letter J. For everybody in the world, these are the 3 months starting with J. So this particular collection is well defined. Now we can discuss the second question. The second question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. We are asked to check whether this particular collection, that is collection of 10 most talented writers of India, is well defined or not. That is, it is a set or not. Regarding this question, most talented writers of India. For me, as a Malayali, I will always tell that the most favorite or most talented writers of India are 10 Malayalis. But rather than a Malayali, some other people think that the authors or writers are different. So that particular interest varies according to person, and hence the collection of most talented writers of India is not a well-defined collection. So that is not a set. Moving on to the third question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. All over the world, from all over the world's list of cricket batsmen, I have to choose 11 batsmen. My choice would not be the choice of some other people. Some other people can choose different 11 people as their best cricket batsmen. So that particular collection is also not a well-defined collection. So it is not an example of a set. And the next question is the collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class. If you see that you have a class and the set of all boys is a well-defined collection, because in everybody's class there are boys and those boys are included in the class. If there are no boys, then there is no element in the class. So it is a well-defined collection. Nobody else classes boys will not come in this particular collection. So it is a well-defined collection. Next question is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. We know that all natural numbers are again a well-defined collection. In particular, all the natural numbers less than 100 is also a well-defined collection, because for everybody that collection includes 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. less than 100, which means it will go till 99. So this is the particular collection given here. So it is a well-defined collection, therefore it is a set. Now the next question is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Is it a well-defined collection? Munshi Premchand is an author or a writer, and all the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand, it is a finite collection or it is a well-defined collection. A novel written by Bashir or somebody else would not come in this collection. So it is a well-defined collection. it includes all the novels written by Munshi Premchand. Okay, the next question is collection of all even integers. We know that the even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And this is a well-defined collection. For everybody, the collection of even integers go like this. So, it is well-defined and hence it is an example for a set. The collection of all questions in this chapter. Is this a well-defined collection? Yes, of course it is a well-defined collection, because one can write one after another the set of all questions in this chapter. A question from your second chapter will not come into this chapter, which means this is a well-defined collection. So, this is a example for the set, that is the collection of questions in this chapter. Next question is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. And of course, my dangerous animal would not be your dangerous animal. So, there it is not a well-defined collection. That collection varies according to a person's interest, so it is not a well-defined collection. So always remember that a well-defined collection does not vary according to persons. So always remember that. That's it. Now we will move on to next question. Now the second question is this. We are given with a set A. That is, set A includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 elements are there in set A. Now we are asked to insert either belongs to symbol or does not belongs to symbol in these blank spaces. We know that we use belongs to symbols if a particular element belongs to that particular set, and does not belongs to symbols whenever that particular element does not belongs to that particular set. And in here we are given with A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here we are asked to put a symbol belongs to or does not belongs to here. That is, 5 belongs to A or 5 does not belongs to A. Here when we look, we can easily find that 5 is there in the set A. So the answer will be 5 belongs to the set A. Now moving on to the second one, 8 belongs to A or 8 does not belongs to A. When we look here, we can find that in this particular set, there is no 8 in this particular set. So we can say that 8 does not belongs to our set A. Now, what about 0? Does 0 belongs to this set? We cannot find a 0 here in the set A. So, 0 also does not belongs to this particular set A. Now, what about 4? 4 belongs to this set. 4 is contained in this set. So, 4 belongs to our set A. What about 2? Yes, 2 is also here. So, 2 belongs to our set A. What about 10? 10 is not in our set. It only contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, 10 does not belongs to our set. Always remember that this symbol means belongs to the set, and this symbol means does not belongs to the set. Now we shall discuss another question. Now the third question from the first exercise is, write the following sets in the roster form. We are given a number of sets in set builder form, and we are asked to write these sets in the roster form. And the first question asked here is, A equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 7. Here it is given that x is an integer. We know what all are the integers. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Also the negatives of these natural numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So these all are the set of integers, and it is given one more condition here. It is that minus 3 less than x less than 7. That is, our integer should be greater than minus 3 and less than 7. So the first natural number which is greater than minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. Again the next integer is minus 1. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we cannot write 7 here because it is given that x should be less than 7 and x is also an integer. So we will stop here. So the set we are asked to find out is this one, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and check whether it is correct or not. All these numbers are integers, okay. All these numbers satisfy this particular condition, that is minus 3 less than x less than 7. That is, all these numbers are greater than minus 3 and less than 7. So that's it. Now the second question is, B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. We know that the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. These are the natural numbers. But there is an additional condition that a natural number less than 6. Therefore, our set contains natural numbers less than 6, which means it does not contain 7, 8 and 6, because 6 is equal to 6. We are asked to find a natural number less than 6. So, it contains these elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Moving on to the next question. The C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural numbers. We know that what all are the 2-digit natural numbers? 10, 11, 12, etc. up to 99. These are the 2-digit natural numbers we know. Such that there is an additional condition given that the sum of the digits is always 8. We are not asked to give the 2-digit natural numbers, all the 2-digit natural numbers, but with the speciality that the sum of the digits is 8. We know that 80 is a 2-digit natural number with the sum of the digit 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. Now, 71 is a 2-digit natural number with the sum of the digits 8. 7 plus 1 is again 8. If 71 is a 2-digit number with the sum of the digits 8, then 17 is also a 2-digit number with the sum of the digits 8. Now again, 62 is a 2-digit natural number. Again, the sum of digits is 8. Now if 62 is there, 26 will be also there. Now again, what about 53? 53 also, here the sum of the digits is 8. If 53 is there, there will be 35 also. Now moving on, we have 44. 44 also, here the sum of the digits is 8. So these all are the numbers these all are the 2-digit numbers whose sum of the digits is 8. If we look through all these 2-digit numbers, we can find that only there are this much 2-digit numbers whose sum of the digits is 8. So, this particular collection is the set of all 2-digit natural numbers such that the sum of digits is 8. Now, the fourth question is, D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. We know that the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are the list of prime numbers, which are, a number is called prime number if it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So these are the examples of prime numbers. So x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60 also. We need the collection of prime numbers, not simply prime numbers, the prime numbers which are divisors of 60. So in order to find the prime numbers which are divisors of 60, we need to do the prime factorization for 60. While doing that, we know that 2 is a factor, so we can divide by 2. We will get 30 here, again by 2, so we will hit 15 here, again by 3, we will get a 5 here. So this is the prime factorization of 60, that is 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So the prime factors of 60 are 2, 3 and 5, which means 2, 3 and 5 are the prime divisors of the number 60. So our required set contains 2, 3 and 5. Let's verify that x is a prime number. Yes, all the elements in the set is a prime number. And the next condition is which is a divisor of 60 also. Yes, 2 is a divisor of 60, 3 is a divisor of 60, 5 is a divisor of 60. No other prime number is a divisor of 60. So this is the required set. Now the next question is the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. We are asked to write the set of all letters in the word trigonometry in roster form. We know that the word trigonometry is formed using the word T, yes, again R, now I, G, O, N. Now O is once written here, so it is not necessary to write O once more. So we skip that O. Now M, again E, T. Now T is already once written here, so it is not necessary to write T once more. Again R. No, R is also written here once, so it is not required to write R again. Again, now the next alphabet is Y. So these are the letters of the word trigonometry. No other letter is used to write the word trigonometry. All the letters which are used to write the word trigonometry is listed here. So this is the required set here. Now the next question is the set of all letters of the word better. It is quite similar to this question. We need all the letters of the word better. That is, it includes B, again E, T 2 times. So it is only required to write one T here. Now again E is already written here. The next letter is R. So B, E, T and R are the 4 letters used to write the word better. So this is it. Now we can do the fourth question from exercise 1.1. Fourth question is write the following in set builder form. Here the questions are given in roster form and we are asked to write these in the set builder form. For writing it into the set builder form, we are required to find the peculiarity of the set given in roster form. Looking into the first question, here we can observe that the elements are 3, 6, 9 and 12, and we can clearly observe that all the 4 elements are multiples of 3. Here 3 is the first multiple of 3. Now 6 is the second multiple, 9 is the third multiple and 12 is the fourth multiple. So all the elements are multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Now multiples of 3 can be represented in general like 3n, where n is any natural number. N belongs to natural numbers. Now when n is equal to 1, we have 3 into 1, that is 3. So it is the first multiple of 3. When n is equal to 2, we have 3 into 2, that is 6. That is the second multiple of 3. Now when n is equal to 3, we have 3 into 3, that is 9. When n is equal to 4, we have 3 into 4, that is 12. These are the 4 multiples of 3. Now these 4 elements are given in our set here. That is, the set of all 3n's are given here, where n has variation from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in set builder form, we have the set of all x such that x is of the form 3n. Yes, x is of the form 3n, and all these n belongs to the set of natural numbers. That is, n belongs to the set of natural numbers. If all the natural numbers are here for n, then it will go like this. That is, n is equal to 5, 3 into 5, 15 will be also there in this set. That is, in this set, then again 18 will be there, again 21 will be there, and it will go like that. So here we have only 3, 6, 9 and 12. So n is equal to 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So n have another restriction like this: 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. N can take only the values 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is complete. X is a set of all x such that x is equal to 3n. Yes, because all these are multiples of 3 and n belongs to n. Yes, of course n should be belonging to natural set of natural numbers, and n should not cross the number 4, because if it cross 4 and it will, if it n takes value 5, then it will become, the element will become 15, which is not here. So this condition is also necessary here. So this is the set builder form for this particular set. Now the next question is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This is the next question asked. Now if we observe here, we can find that 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1. 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1. Again 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2 or 2 square. Now 8 is nothing but 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Again 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 4, and 32 is 2 raised to 5, that is 2 multiplied 5 times. Now observe that these all elements are certain powers of 2. So we can write that the set is the set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to some power. And if we look at these powers, we can observe that the powers are simply natural numbers. So we are required to give another condition for the power, that is n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Now again, moving on, we have here that the powers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have the power 2 raised to 6, it will go for 64, which does not belong to our set. So this particular power, that is n, should have another restriction like this. N can be 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5 only. If it becomes 6, then 64 will come into our set. So that is not possible. So n should have a restriction like this. So that's it. Now let's check whether this is correct or not. X is equal to some power of 2, that is and all the powers should be coming from natural numbers, and the powers will lie between will include 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. Now moving on to the next question. Here we have 5 is equal to 5 raised to 1, and again 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. Now 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3, that is 5 into 5 into 5. Now again 625 can be written as 5 raised to 4. Now this is a question similar to the above question. So we can identify that all these numbers are some powers of 5. So we can write here set of all x such that x is equal to 5 raised to some n, and these powers are all natural numbers again. So this n should have a restriction like this, that n should be a number belonging to the set of natural numbers. Also n should take the values 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore we can write 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. This is our required set. We will check now. Here we have x is equal to 5 raised to n, where n is equal to, n belongs to the set of natural numbers, and those natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now when n is equal to 1, we have 5 raised to 1 and it is 5. When n is equal to 2, we have 5 raised to 2, that is 25. When n is equal to 3, we have 5 cube, that is 125. And when n is equal to 4, we have 5 raised to 4, that is 625. So that's it. Now the next question is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now if we observe here, we can find that this is the collection of even natural numbers. So directly we can write it in the set builder form, set of all x such that x is an even natural number. So this particular collection contains all even natural numbers. So in set builder form we can write it like this, set of all x such that x is an even natural number. Coming to this question, here the elements are 1, 4, 9, 16 etc. up to 100. Now look here, 1 can be written as 1 square. Again 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. Going on like this, 100 can be written as 10 square. So there is a pattern that all these elements in this set is squares of first 10 natural numbers. So we can write it like this: x is set of all x such that x is equal to some n square, where this n varies. N varies from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 10. So n is a natural number, okay, and also n takes variation from 1 to 10, that is 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. So this is our answer. Set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N belongs to set of natural numbers 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. Now we shall go to the fifth question from this exercise. Fifth question is, list all the elements of these sets. And the first question of the sixth question is, set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. We have to write the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. And the first odd natural number we know it is 1, then it is 3, 5, 7, and it will go on like this. So the set of all odd natural numbers is this set. Now the next question, set of all x such that x is an integer. We know what all are integers. It will go like this: -2, -1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, etc. This is not our required set because an additional condition is given: -1/2 less than x less than 9/2. That is, our integers should be in between -1/2 and 9/2. -1/2 we know it is -0.5, and 9/2 we know that it is 4.5. So the integers between -0.5 and 4.5 are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So our required set is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the next question is, set of all x such that x is an integer and x square less than or equal to 4. X is an integer. We know that these are our integers: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. -3, -4, etc. And the condition given is x square less than or equal to 4. The square should be less than or equal to 4. First of all, the square of 0 is 0 itself and it is less than 4. Again, square of 1 is nothing but 1 and it is also less than 4. Again, 2. The square of 2 is 4 and it is less than or equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4, so 2 can be included here. Now what about 3? The square of 3 is 9, which is greater than 4, so we cannot include 3 here. Now again we have a negative number, that is -1, and the square of -1 is nothing but 1. It is less than 4, so we can include -1 here. Again, square of -2 is again 4 and 4 is equal to 4, so -2 can also be included here. But again, -3 square is 9 and it is greater than 4, so it cannot be included, and all other numbers squares are greater than 4. So this is our required set. Now x is a set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. The set of all letters in the word loyal, we know that it includes L, O, Y, A, and L is already written here. So these are the letters of the word loyal. Now next question is, set of all x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. We know all the months which are not having 31 days. Do it as a homework. Now last question, set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. It is given that it is a letter in the English alphabet, it is a consonant, which means it is not a vowel, and which precedes K. We know that English alphabet starts from A, but A precedes K, but A is not a consonant, it is a vowel. So A cannot be included. We can include B, C, D. What about E? E is a vowel, it is not a consonant. A is a vowel, it is not a consonant. So E cannot be included here. Now F, G, H and I is a vowel, which means it is not a consonant. Now H, J and can we include K here? No, because it is given that the condition is which consonant in English alphabet which precedes K, that is, that should be before K. So these are the required elements of the set B, C, D, F, G, H, H and J. If we look here, we can say we can easily say that these all are consonants, okay, and these all are English alphabets, okay, and which precedes K also. So this is the required set. Now we can move to the sixth question of exercise 1.1. Now the sixth question is to match these things, and we know that these sets are written in roster form and these sets are written in set builder form. Now from set builder form we can match this to the roster form. Here the first one is set of all x such that x is a prime and divisor of 6. That is, we have to list the prime divisors of 6. We know that 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So the divisors of 6 are 2 and 3 and these are the prime divisors of 6. So this is the set having 2 and 3. So this will match with this one. Now the second one is x is an odd natural number less than 10. We know that the natural numbers less than 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And there is one more condition, it is an odd natural number. So it includes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and that's it. These are the odd natural numbers which are less than 10. When we look here, it is clear that all these things are natural numbers. These are odd natural numbers and all of them are less than 10. So the set which matches with this set is this one. So this is the match for this. Now third one is set of all x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. We want natural numbers which are divisors of 6. Now 6 can be written as 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. So the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is the required set and this set matches with this one. So these two will match. Now the last one is x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. It will include M, A, T, H, E. M is repeated. M is already written here, so it is not necessary to repeat that. A is also already written. T already written. Now C and yes. So this is the set and it will match with this one. M, A, T, H, E. Sorry, I is also here. We can add I here. And I, C and yes. So this will match with this one. So that's the end of exercise 1.1. Today we have discussed all the questions from exercise 1.1 and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section and wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.